Welcome to the ETERNA GEODECK installation system, a next-generation outdoor flooring solution designed for fast, precise, and long-lasting installation. The boards must be acclimatized for 48 hours at the installation site on a flat surface. Installation must be carried out using the system components and appropriate tools to ensure a smooth and controlled process. The surface must be firm, stable, and slightly sloped to allow proper water drainage. Install the joists with a maximum spacing of 25 centimeters between centers and secure them firmly to the pedestals using the recommended brackets and screws. Fix the starter clips onto the joists. They act as a stop and ensure proper alignment. Use a rubber mallet to help insert the board into the starter clip. Continue the installation by placing the boards with fixing clips. The system includes an integrated mechanical stop that automatically ensures a uniform 3 mm gap between boards. At board joints, double joists must be used to ensure proper fixing and prevent movement. Adjust longitudinal expansion gaps according to the temperature during installation. The boards can be precisely cut to fit any space. Finish by securing the last boards using starter clips. For a clean and functional finish, install the edge trims. Make sure to maintain the same spacing as between the boards. ETERNA GEODECK provides a durable, stable surface with a premium look for any outdoor space. ETERNA GEODECK, the next generation of outdoor flooring.